Hello everybody, we are at the launch of the all-new BMW 530e Sport, and here are 5 things you need to know about the all-new plug-in hybrid executive sedan. It gets dressed in the Sport trim line, so you get a more elegant body kit, active shutter grille, 19-inch multi-spoke alloys, and dual exhaust outlets at the rear. Under the hood is a 2-litre 4-cylinder turbocharged engine paired to an electric motor to give a combined output of 248 horsepower and 420 Nm of torque. Drive is sent exclusively to the rear wheels via an 8-speed automatic transmission. In here is largely similar to the 530i M Sport, except here you get this eDrive specific instrument cluster, this black piano trim, this eDrive mode selector, and more comfortable sport seats. Unfortunately, here you don't get the fancy BMW display key. The 530e can travel up to 46 km on pure electric alone, at speeds of up to 140 km per hour. BMW claims that this thing sips only 2 litres per 100 km. There's only one trim of the 530e available, and it is the most affordable one among all the plug-in hybrid executive sedans, priced at 343,800 ringgit. If you want to find out more about the all-new BMW 530e plug-in hybrid, do log on to AutoBuzz.my.